Hey folks, Lisa had bought a customized air mesh fabric from Backdropsource. She was so happy to unveil our air mesh fabric. She had installed this in her fence outdoors, but she wanted to know how this one stood out from all others. Mesh materials allow for high-ended ventilation by allowing wind to flow through it, which makes it the ideal product for outdoor prints, mainly fence, marketing banners, and sports banners, etc. Mesh material is easy to install and clean, unlike vinyl mesh, which is difficult to clean. Being a green product, it's must to use as a replacement to vinyl mesh and save the environment. She wanted to use this for her fencing, outdoor promotion banners. Let her check this and we will get to know, does she get impressed with it or not? Oops! She tried to rip up the fabric, but unfortunately our fabric was thicker and she cannot rip the fabric. The fabric can maintain a certain elongation in the transverse and longitudinal directions. It will not lose deformation. Mesh fabrics are high in durability. The appearance is fashionable and beautiful. It's wrinkle-free, as you can see it. The mesh fabric is suitable for hand washing, machine washing, dry cleaning, and also steam ironing. It is lightweight and easily portable to wherever you wish to take it. Printing of this fabric is on eco-solvent inks. The mesh fabric is bright and soft in color, and it will not fade in maximum UV lights up to many years. Her smile says that she loved it most. You can also buy your customized fabrics at the Backdropsource.